Hi students, good morning. I am our English teacher from Mittal Matriculation. Today, Thursday class. Okay students, uh, today we all see 7th standard English. Okay, okay, good. Okay students, uh, all of you, how are you today? I think you are fine. Okay, right. I'm happy to hear that. It's so great to see you again. Okay students. Okay, yeah, good. Okay. Anyone tell? I ask one question to you. Okay. Tell me. Who can tell me what day is it today? Please tell me. Yes. Okay. Today, Thursday. Okay. Good. Okay, students. Today we all see what? Yes, I tell you. Okay. Wait here. Okay, students. Already I tell you no. Today we all see 7th standard English. Right. See here. Today we all see what? Yes. First of all, I tell one information, students. After we are going to topic, okay? Okay. See here. Uh, wait. We are already see your yes. See here. Already we are completed Hilton Terman Edgar. Already completed, you know. Yes. It's also already we are completed. Yes, the section 1 also already we are completed. Yes. Choose the correct answer. These are happening already. We are saw that. Yes. Okay. Okay, students. Already this also completed. See here. It's also completed. Okay. Why I turn the page? Why I completed? I tell you. You are tell me. You are ask the question. Mean yes. Next class we are making to the test. So I just recap it. Okay. These are all the happening already. We are completed, you know. So your proper will definitely we are making to the conduct to the test after your sent in our WhatsApp number. Okay, your test paper. Okay, right. Okay, students. First of all, I ask question to you. All of you, how are you? Okay, students, you are yet or not? Cannot yet mean. First of all, you are going to eat in your food. Okay. Okay. You eat after you will come. Why always you eat in your food? Why is there always you tell you mean? Because you cannot understand, because you are making to the very tired. You cannot eat mean the tiredness automatically come in your self. Okay, the tiredness automatically come in your self. Are clear? Okay, students. Mm, right. Okay, good. uh, Oh, one questions now. COVID issue also going on here. So you are all wearing in your mask. Okay, you are all wearing in your mask. It's very must. Okay, because the disease is very dangerous. You know. Yes, because a lot of people is killed there. Okay, right. Okay. Students, you know about the Afghanistan's matter, you know? Yes. Lot of people's that the flight accident, you know? Yes. Very sadness, you know. So you are pray God, they are easily escaped, okay? Right. Now the COVID issue also going on here. So you are all wear in your mask. Okay. You are all stay safe, stay home. Okay, students. Today we all see what are the happening means. Today we all see uh, the first one. Okay, okay. Int one, term one, poem. Okay, today we all see the poem. Topic name is what? Yes, topic name is the computer swallowed drama. Okay, once again I tell you the computer swallowed grandma. Okay, are you clear, students? Listen properly because it's very interesting topic. Okay, very interesting. So you don't miss it, this topic, okay? Don't skip or you don't avoid this class, okay? Okay, good. Today, uh, first of all, I ask the questions. What? What is mean by swallow? Any idea about, students? Anyone tell me? Okay, you are Jono. Jono mean it's not a problem. For example, I tell you. See here, swallowed. Swallowed is mean by like that. You are eating to the food. Okay, sometimes you are eating to the food. Anyone, non-veg, veg, anyone. Okay, like that in your food. Okay, I like in your food non-veg. Oh, okay, okay, okay. It's not a problem. Veg means not a problem, non-veg means. So that time you are eating in your food. That time your throat side, your food also stopped. That time you are needing the water. That time easily that food also go to your stomach side. That is mean by swallowed. Okay, that is one of the swallowed. And your food also very fastly eating to in your food, that is mean by swallowed. Okay, so they are mentions, they are tell the computer swallowed grandma. That name is the computer swallowed grandma. Okay, good. Okay, students, are you clear? Right. Once again tell you, the topic name is the computer swallowed grandma. Are you clear? Okay, good. uh, right. You are very good students. You are good because you are tell all of answer to me. Your conduct test mean definitely you are write the examination. You are good. Okay. Congratulations, students. Now next class we are conduct to the test. So you are be prepared well because it's very must. Okay, it's very important. Okay. Now we are see the computer swallowed grandma. Okay. All right. The first of all, we have to see the first sense also here. Now I explain to you. Okay. Now I explain to you. First of all, how many sense are also here? Just we are count it. Okay. See, first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sense also here. Okay, right. Uh, Who's the grandma? Grandma is one of the old lady. Okay, grandma is one of the old lady. Right, are you clear? Okay, good, students. See the picture. First of all, see the picture. Yes, one grandma also here and using to the computer. Okay, okay, students, clear? Okay, see the picture is not a problem. See the picture. See the first picture also here. The second picture also here. Okay, what is happening or going on here? Yes, the grandma, I mean grandma also using to the computer. That time the computer also eating to her. Okay, the computer also eating to her. Are you clear? Okay, good. And now we have see, wait. Okay, first of all we have see first sensor. Okay, it is another first sensor. Okay, see here, the computer swallowed grandma. Okay, the computers, once again I tell you fully, I read this sense. Okay, the computer swallowed grandma. Yes, honestly, it's true. She pressed control and enter and disappeared from view. Okay, disappeared from view. Are you clear? Okay, right. First of all, I tell you, the computer swallowed grandma. Already tell you, no. What? What did I tell you? Yes, good. I tell swallowed mean they are eating to the food, eating to the food. Okay, so the computer also eating to grandma. So they are mentioned. The computer swallowed grandma. Okay, swallowed mean eating. Are clear? Okay, all right. I mean, fully already you know the headline swallowed. Yes, you are eating to the food. That time your that food also stopped in your total. That time you are eating to the, I mean, drink to the water. That time your food also very fastly. I mean, for example, if you are eating to the tablet, mean definitely you are use in your water. No, like that. That's okay. So here the computer also eat to the grandma. So they are mentioned. See here, The computer swallowed grandma, so they are mentioned. Okay. Yes, honestly, it's true. Oh, okay. What is meaning by honestly? Any idea? Yes. This mean by loyalty. Honest mean by loyalty. Okay. Right. Ah, the honest man. He's the honest boy. So honestly. Okay. Honestly, it's true. True means reality. Okay. The computer swallowed grandma. Yes. Honestly, it's true. So they are nice. She pressed control and enter button. Okay, not a they are don't mention button. So she pressed control and enter. That is she. Okay, she asked she mean one of the women. She mean like that seeing picture. Okay, it is she. She mean woman. He mean boy. Okay, so they are mentioned. He. She pressed control and enter. I mean, like that button also. You all see the keypad button. You all go to the computer. You know computer. I think you are using to the computer. That time you all see the control and enter button also there. Okay, control and enter button also there. And disappeared from view. Okay, disappeared from what view? Because disappear it mean by what? See it and disappeared from view. What is mean by disappeared? Any idea? Anyone you tell me? Yes, good. Disappeared. It's see here. Disappeared. It's mean by hide. Hide. Some people also go to hide some place. Okay, hide some place. So they are mentioned disappeared. Okay, from view. I mean that's place side. Okay, that's place side to the computer side. The grandma also going there, so they are mentioned. See here. Okay, once again I read this answer. Yes, the computer swallowed grandma. Yes, honestly, it's true. She pressed control and enter and disappeared from view. Okay, so they are mentioned. So, the first answer I asked the question, which is the rhyming words to here? Just your church here. View, enter, true, grandma. So, the rhyming words also not here. Okay, same. I mean, same words also don't come here. Okay, so the not rhyming words also here. Okay, right, good. Are you listen, students? I hear. Okay, you are see the book. Okay, see the video. Okay, or attend the class. Next, we are see. Okay, see here. It devoured her completely. Once again, it devoured her completely. The thought just makes a squirm. Okay, it is mean by what? A squirm. The thought just makes squirm. She must have caught. It is only caught, not a catch. Caught. Okay. She must have caught a virus or been eaten by worm. Eaten by worm. Okay. Let's see. Okay. It devoured it. Okay. It devoured. It is meaning fully. I mean, devoured. They mean fully. They are eating. Fully. I mean, you are eating to the food mean definitely you full and full. You are eating that. No balance there, so they are mentioned what? Yes, devoured. Okay, it's devoured her completely, so fully the computer also eating to her, so they are mentioned devoured. Are you clear? Okay, good. Right, see, the thought just makes me squirm. Once again, the thought just makes me squirm. Right. Squaw means fully. I mean, already tell you know. It means by swallowed. Okay. Squaw means same. It's swallow, squam. It is meaning same. I mean, fully eat the food also stop to the throat cell. That time you are eating to the, I mean, drink to the water. Yes, like that. Are you clear? Yes. It devoured her completely. The thought just makes me squirm. She must have caught a virus. I mean, the virus also there. Yes, virus means like that. That making to the damage. You know, that like making to the what? Yes, damage. So there mentions caught a virus or being eaten by a worm or being eaten by a worm. Already the computer also eaten to the grandma. So they are mentioned eaten by worm. Okay, worm means like that one of the uh, a snake, like the snake, uh, that type worm. You see the leaf mean that side, that worm also there. Okay, I mean in Tamil puru. Okay, worm. Okay, they are telling to the puru worm. Okay, right. Are you clear? Okay. So are you clear? So they are think. So the worm also eating to the grandma. So they are thinking. Okay. See. Now we ask the questions. Now you all see the second sentence also here, which is the rhyming words or rhyming words to here. Here, yes. See here. Yes, correct. Good. Worm. What is it? Yes, squirm. Yes, the two only rhyming words to here. Squirm, worm. Squirm, worm. The two only rhyming words to here. Okay, are you clear? Clear means not a problem. You are very good. Are you good students? Are you here? Yes, listen properly. Okay, good. Uh, Once again, I ask the question: what is meaning by devoted? You tell me. What is mean devoted? Yes, fully eat. You're good. Okay, good. You are good students. Yeah, good. Okay, listen properly. Yes. Uh, See, now we are completed first sensor and second sensor also here. Also we are completed. No? Now we all see third sensor also here. So now we all see the third sensor. First of all, I read fully after we are discuss about this sensor. Okay, after we discuss about this sensor. Are clear? Okay. See, I have searched through the recycle bin. Once again, I have searched through the recycle bin and files of every kind. I have even used the internet, but nothing did I find. Okay, did I find? Right. I have searched through the recycle bin. What is mean by recycle bins? Yes, you are definitely you are using computer mean definitely you are know about recycle bin. Okay, recycle bin. I mean, sometimes you are go to church in your computer. That's you see the yellow color box. Yes, that is one of the file. Yeah, good. That file that you are seeing definitely some. I mean, any song you have any song, any photos, any pictures, anyone you have mean definitely someone documents anyone. Uh, Unwanted things also there mean definitely you're deleted that file. Unwanted file there mean you're deleted that file. That's correct. Yes, good. In that time you delete mean, but you forget your important file also deleted, but your again you needed that file mean definitely you are go to see in your computer site and the recycle bin also there. So here open in your recycle bin mean definitely that recycle bin side your deleted file also viewing there, and the computer also show that. Okay, computer also show that. Are you clear? So easily you are click the you are using in your mouse and using to the what right click button. Yes, right click button. Are you clear students? Right, sorry, left button you are click in your mouse. And that time one box also appearing to the, so your press the buttons recover. Okay, recover already, using to the computer mean definitely you all know that your press recover. So that time your recover mean definitely the deleted file also again coming that place side. So you are opening your files, don't miss that. Okay, so that's mean by what? A recycle bin. Okay, so I have searched through the recycle bin, and files are every kind, right. I have even used the internet, like that you are using the computer, mobile phones, tablet mean you are in what purpose? Yes, we are using to the internet. Are you clear, students? Okay, good. So see here, but nothing did find. Okay, nothing did find because nothing, there is no one. Are you clear? Yeah, good. Okay, students listen me. uh, I ask the questions, which is the rhyming word to this answer? Anyone tell me? Oh, you tell me. Yes, okay, good. What's your name? It's okay, okay, don't tell, sit down. Okay, see, once again I read this answer. Okay, I have searched through the recycle bin and files of every kind. I have even used the internet, but nothing did I find. Okay, nothing did I find because they are go to the church, the recycle bin. That's it. The grandma also know that. I mean, they are searching to the what? Searching to the recycle bin. That's it. The grandma also don't there. So now we ask the question: which is the rhyming words of this stanza? Okay, you are telling me. Yes, I ask the question. Who's know? Yes. See here, find. Okay. Kind. Okay. Is it rhyming word? Yes. Kind also rhyming word. Find also rhyming word. Why you tell kind and find rhyming words? Yes, good. Because the the same words also here, so it's kind and find. Okay, kind, find. Are you clear, students? Okay, good. You are tell the rhyming words. Once I can tell you these rhyming words. Yes, kind, fine. And why bin and internet also cannot rhyming words? Because it's not a same words. Okay, it is, that's also not a rhyming. I mean, same words also don't come here. Okay, it is not a rhyming word. Okay, internet, recycle bin is not a rhyming words. Okay, right, clear. Uh, Next we will see what 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth sensor also here. Now we have see the fourth sensor. Clear, students? Okay, good. See here. Yeah. In disseparation, see here. In disapparitions, I asked Jeeves. Once again, in disseparation, I asked Jeeves my church to refine. My church to refine. The reply from him was negative. Not yet. Nothing was found online. Okay, so there means. So we have to see the discuss about this answer. Are you clear, students? Very interesting, Yes, you are listen properly. It is very important. Very jolly person, because they are using to the computer. Computer mean you are using computer mean definitely that is one of the very jolly, very interesting, So you have to listen properly, guys. So that I am easily understanding. Okay. So now we are going to the topic. Okay. You are listen properly. See here in what? Yes, in this what in disseparation I asked Jeeves my church to refine. The reply from him was negative. Not a thing was found online. Okay, right. uh, what is meaning by, I ask a question, what is meaning by disseparation? Yes, it is, see, it is meaning by, and I mean, don't believeness. Believe, believe, hopeness. Hope, believe. For example, you're given to 100 rupees. So you need 100 rupees. So they are hope you. So they are given to 100 rupees to you after your returning. So you are give or not. So they are telling. Uh, so definitely you are given. They are believe that. So that is mean by depression. Sorry, desperation. Okay, this mean by desperation. I mean hopeness or believeness. Okay, in desperation mean hope or believeness. Are clear, students? Okay, good. So I asked Jeeves my church to refine. What is mean by Jeeves? Yes, Jeeves is one of the character of it. Jeeves is one of the men, so they are called because my grandma also the computer also scorn her mother. I mean grandmother. So you are common church to bear. GS means the computer technician. Okay, computer technician name. Okay, not a meaning. Okay, name. It's one of the name. One person name. Okay, GS. It is one person name. Clear, students? Okay, GS is one of the person name. Are clear? Okay, one second I tell you. Okay, are you clear? Okay, listen properly. Okay. Okay, good. You are good students. Uh, you are using the computer or not? I think you have a tablet, computer, laptop, mobile phone. Okay, lot of what? Lot of gadgets you also have. I think. Okay, I am also have a mobile phone, so we are sitting in our class. Your attainment definitely you are have a mobile phone, you know. So that related of this topic. Okay, see. In desperation, I asked Jesus, my church to refine. Okay, church to refine. Because the Jesus of the common church, her grandmother. Okay, that's grandmother also their common church. So, see, the reply from him was negative. Not a thing was found online. But that's it. The grandmother also not there. So they are telling. I mean, the Jeeves also tell. That's it. The grandma also not there. So their reply from him was negative. Not a thing was found online. So once again, in see, in desperation, I asked Jeeves my church to refine. The play from the him was negative, not a thing was found online. Okay, are clear, students? So that time the grandmother also not there. So they are mentioned. Jesus also come in church, their grandmother, but grandmother also not there. Okay, okay, students, are clear? Okay, good. Okay. Mm, yes, good. So if we, I ask one question to you. Okay, this sentence, which is the rhyming words of this sentence? Already tell you know. Find, kind. It is another rhyming word. Warm, squam. It is another rhyming word. So see this sentence, which is the rhyming words of two here? Just your church here. Just wait. I tell me, students. You tell me. Okay, good. Okay, yeah, online. Okay, negative. Oh, okay, good. Refine. Okay, good. Jeeves. No, 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 not a Jeeves. Okay, because yes also here. So not a rhyming word of Jeeves. Refine also rhyming word. Negative also rhyming word. Online also rhyming word. Because E also finally E also come here. You know. So online, negative, refine. It's also another rhyming word. Are you clear, students? Okay, you are good students. You tell answer mean you are good students. Just you are prepare well in your home side. Okay, are you clear, students? Okay, good. Next, you all see the final sensor of here. The final sensor of here. So, you all see here. So, if inside your inbox, my grandma, you should see. Please copy, scan, and paste her in an email back to me. Once again, I read this answer. So, if inside your inbox, my grandma, you should see. please copy, scan and paste her in an email back to me. Okay, so they are tell about the final Sansa. Okay, so what is mean by inbox? So they are mentioned. So if inside your inbox, what is mean by inbox? Or any idea about? Tell me, students. What is mean by inbox? Tell me. Okay, good. Inbox means they are send the information mean you or receive the information. You are have a mobile phone mean you are having a message box, in the yellow color box. Already got the yellow color. That is one of the inbox. I mean message box. You are receive the message that information they are sharing. Your friends also share. Hi, how are you? They are sharing. You are using mail mean that side also. Inbox also there. I mean inbox is receiving message. Outbox, another type outbox also there. Outbox, inbox. Inbox mean receive. I mean incoming message. Okay. Outbox mean outgoing message. Okay, all right. Or your incoming call, outgoing call, same that. Okay. So if inside your inbox, my grandma you should see. Like he also chose his grandma. So that side the grandma also not there. So they are telling, please copy, scan and paste her in an email back to me, because already telling no recycle bin also there. Because you are missing in your file mean definitely you are go to church in your what? Yes, recycle bin. That side also what? That side also a deleted file also there. So the boy also telling to Jeev say, please. So inside your inbox, my grandma you should see, please copy, scan and paste her and email back to me. Are you clear, students? So because they are thinking, copy and paste. Definitely my grandma also can come in your boxes so easily catch my grandma. So they are thinking. Okay, so if inside your inbox, my grandma you should see, please copy, scan and paste her in an email back to me. So they are telling. Are you clear, students? This poem who's written? Yes, see here. This poem written by, see here. Yes, it's named by anonymous. See, anonymous. Because anonymous it means not a person. Anonymous write the poem. Yes, no. Not anonymous is not in name. Okay, are you clear? Anonymous means there is no one. His name is not. Any one person write this poem. Okay, any one person write this poem. These names we are don't know. We are don't know this name. So they are mentioned anonymous. We are don't know this name. Who's written this poem? No idea, because no one person's unknown person also write this name. So anonymous means unknown person. Okay, so they are mentioned anonymous. Once again, I read this sentence fully. Just your recap. Okay, see here. The computer swallowed grandma. Yes, honestly, it's true. She pressed control and enter and disappeared from view. It see here, it devoured her completely. The thought just makes me squirm. She must have catch a virus or been eaten by a worm. I have searched through the recycle bin and files of every kind. I have even used the internet, but nothing did find. See, in desperation, I asked Jeeves, my church, to refine. The reply from him was negative. Not a thing was found online. So if inside your inbox my grandma, you should see, please copy, scan and paste her in an email back to me, written by anonymous. Anonymous, that is no one person, unknown person, they are no name to there. You are clear, students? It is one of the poem. So finally, I ask one question: which is the rhyming words of this last stanza? You are tell me, anyone? Students, are you here? Okay, listen properly. Now I tell you. Yes, yes. In an email back to me also here, her also here, C also here, X also here. I mean inbox also here, C also here, her also here, me also. It's a rhyming words to here. Yes, C rhyming words. Yeah, good students. Me also rhyming words. Yeah, good students. Super nice. Okay, you are good students because you are tell about all the answers to that. Okay, C. Okay. Now we are see. Do you know? Okay. Now we are see. Do you know? Right. See here. 106 year old. I mean age. Okay. This is 106. One not or 106. So now I tell you 106. 106 years. 106. Okay. 106-year old Mastanamma. Mastanamma is one of the old woman, old grandma. Okay. 106-year-old Mastanamma, the great grandmother from Andhra Pradesh. She is one of the great grandmother in Andhra Pradesh. She is living to Andhra Pradesh, so they are telling to the Andhra Pradesh. See, is the star of your YouTube cooking channel with over 280,000 subscribers throughout the world. This world is a 2000 and sorry 2 lakhs and 80,000 subscribers are there. Their YouTube subscribers. Okay, throughout the world. All credit for her newfound stardom. Newfound what? Stardom. Okay, stardom goes to her grandson Kari Laxman. Mastanamma passed away in 2018. Okay, Mastanamma passed 2018. Are you clear, students? And past mean they are a die, so they are mentioned past. Okay, right. Now you all see the glossary. So now you all see the glossary. See here. First of all, you all see devote. It means devote. Or devote. Devote. It means by consumed. It is mean by conceived. What is mean consumed? It is mean by they are eating. Eat, yeah. Eat, eaten. So it mean by eat a food. Okay, eat a food. This mean by consumed. Okay. Next we all see what? Squam. It means turn. I mean, squam, it means by they are gather information. I mean, like that information mean some people are die mean they are tell the information that time one sadness also coming to That's one of the what? That is one of the squam. That is sadness feeling. That is one of the sad of information. So it is maybe squam. So it will turn. Same way it is glossary. Okay. Okay, students, are clear? Okay, good. Next you also see depression. Okay. Sorry, desperation. It means desperation. So they are mentioned hopelessness. Desperation means hopelessness. What is mean by desperation? Yes, desperation means hopelessness. Yeah. It's hopelessness, bleakness. This mean by hopelessness. So they are don't hope, don't believe. Because you are asked request to I want 100 rupees. They are thinking you are give or not, you are give or not, because they don't believe you. So it means hopelessness. Desperation is mean, maybe it's mean by hopelessness. Are you clear, students? Okay, good. Now your see today class over. So now we are uh, tomorrow I give it to the one homework. Okay, students, so you are complete the homework. What homework mean? You see here, the computers followed grandma. The poem also here. So this poem you are right fully. Okay, so the computer first sensor, second sensor, third sensor, fourth sensor, fifth sense also here, so you are write the homework to it. Okay, after you send our WhatsApp number, it is one of the your homework. Fully right, students, you don't forget, it is one of the today homework. So you don't forget, you are make it. Definitely we are we will see that in your homework. So you are sent on our WhatsApp number. Okay, okay, students. Next class we are making conduct to the weekend test. So you see, prepare well. These are also, I mean, yes, the the Eidgah to the poem. Okay, it's also just you prepare. I mean, book backs, all book back exercises you are prepare. Definitely we are conduct to the what? Yes, a test. Okay, so you are prepare well in your home site. Okay, students, now on information, COVID issue also going on here, so you are wearing in your mask and stay safe, stay home. I see next class. Bye bye. Stay safe, stay home. Are you clear, students? uh, it's also homework. I mean, you see fully. Okay, you read fully, just you are conduct to the test. Bye bye.